Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Coinomi Wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Coinomi wallet, make sure that you've downloaded the Coinomi application first on your mobile device. Once you have it, give it a tap to open. From the main homepage of Coinomi Wallet, you'll be able to see two options. To create a new wallet, tap on Create a New Wallet button, or to log into an existing wallet, tap on Restore a Wallet. You'll need to have your recovery phrases backed up in order to get access back to your wallet. Go ahead and type in your recovery phrase in the correct order in the text box with the help of this keyboard. Simply type in your recovery phrases in the correct order. Once you type in all of the recovery phrases in the correct order, tap on the next arrow button at the bottom right, and on the next page, set a new password for your wallet. Every time you log into your account, you'll need to set up a new password for your wallet, so go ahead and type in your password and retype in your password again in the next field. After you are done filling in the details, tap the arrow pointing towards the right hand side at the bottom right, add some coins on your wallet, and tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be back to your wallet on Coinomi. That is how you can easily log in back to your Coinomi wallet account with the help of your backup phrases. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.